Thanks for sharing the script. Here's a lightly paraphrased version of it. The structure and tone are preserved, with only minor shifts in word order and phrasing to keep the style consistent. Music. Brad Pitt was born on December 18, 1963 in Oklahoma, but he spent his childhood in Springfield, Missouri. He was the son of Bill Pitt, who ran a trucking company, and Jane, a family counselor. From a young age, Brad was fascinated by movies, but before diving into acting, he gave college a try. Just 2 credits short of earning his degree at the University of Missouri, he packed up his car and made his way to Hollywood. After just 7 months in Los Angeles, he had landed an agent and was already booking consistent acting gigs. Pitt accepted any role that came his way, including small parts on popular TV shows such as 21 Jump Street and Growing Pains. But it was his short, yet undeniably alluring appearance as a charming drifter opposite Gina Davis in 1991's Thelma and Louise that truly got him noticed. Basically, when Thelma and Louise came out in 1992, he took his shirt off, and just like that, a career was born. A star was made. He quickly found himself on the fast lane to fame, whether he was rocking long, flowing blonde hair in the romantic epic Legends of the Fall, or sharing the screen with Hollywood heartthrob Tom Cruise in the 1994 box office hit Interview with the Vampire. Female fans flocked to theaters in droves. During the filming of the suspenseful thriller Seven, Pitt fell for his co-star Gwyneth Paltrow. Winning her heart may not have been too difficult, especially since in 1995, he was named People magazine's Sexiest Man Alive. Despite their chemistry, the relationship ended in 1997, when the couple broke off their engagement. Professionally, his career hit a bit of a rough patch, with flops like 7 Years in Tibet and Meet Joe Black. But things looked up in his personal life when he started dating Friends star Jennifer Aniston. The two were introduced by their managers, Sparks Flew, and they tied the knot in 2000. With his romantic life seemingly settled, Pitt reunited with Seven director David Fincher for the now iconic role of Tyler Durden in the critically acclaimed Fight Club. Although his marriage to Aniston appeared picture-perfect, the couple ultimately divorced in 2005. Almost immediately after the divorce was finalized, Pitt began seeing his Mr. and Mrs. Smith co-star, Angelina Jolie. The two seemed well-matched, both wanted children, cared deeply about global issues, and were considered two of the most attractive people in the world. During an interview with Diane Sawyer, when she asked Brad what he felt was missing in his life, he responded honestly, "Kids. I really want kids." Jolie, already the adoptive mother of a son named Maddox, soon joined Pitt in growing their family. Together, they adopted 2 more children and welcomed their biological daughter, Shiloh, in 2006. That same year, Pitt starred in the powerful Oscar-winning drama Babel. He also managed to have some fun, both on screen and off, alongside good friend George Clooney during the filming of Ocean's 13. No matter what Pitt did, the media followed closely. In fact, in 2008, People magazine shelled out a staggering $14 million for exclusive rights to the first photos of his and Jolie's newborn twins. As he raised his expanding family, Pitt also remained committed to causes close to his heart, building eco-friendly homes and raising awareness about global social issues. In recognition of his efforts, he was named one of the world's most influential people in 2008, alongside Angelina.